Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It Do It. I'm Sandhya. Today I'm going to show you part 2, this one and this one. So part 1 I already showed how to make this pattern. This is pieces, basic, and I made like this. So this is back side, this is normal with dart, front side, I cut sleeve, flared sleeve, 2 pieces, and I cut this one on fold. You can see here. So this is on fold cut. I took another part, long one, and I stitch here, running stitches, also here and here. So I'm going to make gathers like this. I make gathers, middle, and also I make gathers both sides. This side and this side. So you can see here now, gathers, then you take this piece exactly where the center and center together, pin it, pin it like this. You sew here, okay? After you sew, you make here cut mark like this and turn it. I'm going to show you. You sew here and turn it. After you turn, center, I have here cut mark. You bring this one exactly this middle line to center and pin it. Pin it and turn this side. You sew here and here. Okay, after that, this excess you cut out. This one, this part, don't forget to give cut mark this point and this point, here and here. Okay, after that you turn this one and exactly this point you sew here and this side here. Look. Okay, after that you sew back side. This is facing. You sew this dart. you sew facing, okay, and turn it. You sew these two with shoulder. Before you sew, I'm going to make here piping until this point and turn it. Okay, turn it both side. Sleeve, look, I make piping with this color and join with your, so you can see now I finished this one. Flared sleeve and front. You can use this one as a dress or top, whatever you want. I use for this one my scraps, small pieces, and I use for this one. You can make very easy and fast. So I'm going to show you next one, this one. So now you can see here, this is our pattern pieces, front, and I cut full part from here. This is center line. This is center line. I have full. I fold this line and I cut another piece like this. Look, because this is going overlap like this. For this part, I make pleats. Okay, so I'm going to cut from this one first. I draw some lines. Each 1 inch distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to cut through these lines, but not separate. Take a piece of paper. So I leave 1.5 inches and second one 1.5 inches. Again 1.5. Again 1.5. So now I leave it sewing allowance. This is sewing allowance. Okay. Also you give this side sewing allowance. This is how you look your pattern. Okay. Pattern pieces, front, 2 pieces, cut mark here, back with facing, front this part and the other part. This one you fold from here and make pleats. After you make pleats, like this, you sew here and you join with this body part. This is this side and this one is this side. This is back. So I'm going to sew now this one and this together, back and small sleeve. So I finished my second one. Just watch. Some pleats and long sleeve. For long sleeve, I use my old t-shirt sleeves. Also, I took from this t-shirt hemline. So you have now original hemline here and here. Fast and easy. This is patterns, front and back. So those are some designs for with one pattern. You can design your own designs and own ideas. Just I gave some ideas how to make with one pattern many designs. So be creative and try to do your own designs. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial. Until next time, stay happy and safe. I'm Sandhya. Learn it, do it.